Both Cuttack, Bhubaneswar is near.
How far is Cuttack?
Cuttack to kete bato? 45 kilometers. Bhubaneswar?
Bhubaneswar and Cuttack by bus? Bus?
Hindi janicho?
English जानी छो?
थोड़ा थोड़ा
English जानी छो?
English janicho? थोड़ा
निर्मला
मैनेजर ग्रुप
आपण प्रश्न देते थे
these are the students.
save data excel database
The computer through SSG group.
sorry
SSG group computer free है?
70 rupees
और SSG group
they have their cooperative type of things and they are giving them the same test for the sake of interest they are related
अच्छा budget money.
these girls are learning this now
Swimming क्या क्या है? गाँव में काम देना है?
no they are getting exposure like गाँव में साया ब्लाउज ये सब
कितना टाइम से?
and they have their products you can show it हमें देखे परिवार तो फर्नीचर डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं क्या अप्लाई करती हो हाँ
They have to apply.
जानी लेटी सेंटर अच्छी वाली ये पेंट करनी चाहिए आप ये यूज करते हैं कंप्यूटर
Actually, this center was established for as an agro service center.
okay
By one of our flood relief program.
okay
Later on, it was converted to IT kiosk.
so farmers are also
Using this center to get their agricultural information
Right.
because we have provided and loaded all these information in the computer. The varieties of information related to agriculture. It's also using this center to get application forms for various development activities in the government.
they're also loaded
Yes, it is also loaded. And she is responsible to get all this information and loaded in the computer.
you can surf it now also देखे परिवार क्यों ने कौन अच्छी information
And SSG group member, she has already discussed. You have
medical certificate for the clients
but it is an application form.
yeah
ये किसका लिया है? Information.
Lectures.
This information is for what?
they're getting downloaded and taking the printout from here
It's on what? Information is for what purpose?
actually these centers are very far from the block headquarters and district
अच्छा, so these are government schemes.
Government schemes.
So driving license from any retail control application from they're
Tax
getting
savings
the printout
schemes,
here.
tax deduction
But you
certificate.
have not started any health information.
Health information means
Just the medical
for
certificates.
this
It's actually only
अच्छी okay देखे
HIV/AIDS. Is there anything about AIDS?
sorry
Anything about AIDS?
age
AIDS.
no
These areas are not. Only 2 districts are identified in
This,
Orissa.
we're just looking for ideas. This doesn't particularly have to do with what you're not doing, right? But to the extent that UNDP and the whole United Nations system is looking for ways that the different UN agencies all work in Orissa at the same
any
time
movie देखा होगा
and begin to connect their work. Okay? So there's UNDP programs, also UNAIDS programs, UNFPA programs, all about AIDS. And you have a computer here, and it might be possible, it's not necessarily going to be something that you do, but it's an example of where there's an opportunity.
the cities are already installed in Punjab district now in our center it is yet to be installed it is already prepared yeah in our it is prepared and installed in Punjab district in another district which is 8 area now we are going to install it some copy is available
which is age grown. So that they have installed first.
Yeah, okay.
and same kind of IT kiosk same kind of installation is there in Punjab
This
district
is on malaria. Okay, Panchavati. The 5
types of common diseases like cold, fever, all these things. Leprosy, malaria, all these.
This
is one of the film actor of Orissa. I think this film is prepared by the government of Orissa Health.
In the agriculture.
Actually, they're
ଅଛନ୍ତି
agriculture sector ଆପଣ ମାନେ members ଆପଣ କେତେ member ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ cashier କେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକ member ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି
Whose idea?
IT volunteer.
IT volunteer.
Thank you Subhashri.
Volunteer
Nice to meet you.
ये ट्रेनिंग है क्या volunteer?
ये તમે ટ્રેનિંગ શીખું છો હા he is the IT volunteer
He is the IT volunteer. କିଛି କହିଥିଲା ଦିବ୍ୟାନୀ ମୋତେ ଚିଠି ଦେବ ବୋଲି କଟକ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ହଜିଥିଲେ
जिलू असली ले चल चल
ସେ ଚିତ୍ର କପି ଅଛି
जो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चली झील स्त्री लोक मैंने आसिक कम कर किसी प्रोब्लेम अच्छी ना नाई whether they have any problem because they have girls and they want to take it their computer.
Right.
So they said no, these are belongs to us and they should learn and that's why we have given that
How much more I can drink? It would be good to accept it. Yeah.
There's only those numerous problems after having a lot of technology.
So monthly one.
No, I need to go to bathroom.
Just when you're in the car, somewhere.
he is the secretary of this.
Is it dedicated to
पानी से धोई दियो से स्पॉट है
So they buy and they arrange one from there. They are making it as a multi-purpose livelihood.
डिस्कशन सर
हाँ देन सेटा केमती यूज करछोनी
कम रेट रे
ओके दे आर गिविंग
ଆମର ଯୋଉ ମେମ୍ବର ଅଛନ୍ତି
somebody those who are
ଆମର
using that
ଯୋଉ
rate.
ଆମର ଯୋଉ କୃଷି ମଣ୍ଡଳର ସଭ୍ୟ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ 20%
हाँ उठे जाओ देखा
20% सब्सिडी बाहर लोगों को
ବାହାର ଲୋକ ସେମାନେ ତ ଆମ ସାଥିରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି ନା
those who are the member of this agro service center they will get the 20% subsidy
ସେମାନେ
if they will take the equipment
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
and if I'm the outsider I'll pay the 100%.
ସଭ୍ୟ 200 ଟଙ୍କା ସଭ୍ୟ ଏନ୍ଡିପି ଯାହା ସହାୟତା ତା ସହିତ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଚାଷୀ
କେତେ ପଇସାଟା ଅଛି ସାର୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଢ଼େଇ ଦେଲେ
पर शॉर्टेज
नहीं सॉरी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पे देबी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय अच्छा ये
इनकम पर्पस कंप्यूटर प्लस जेरक्स मशीन इंटरनेट फोन कनेक्शन फोटो सेल्फ विषय ठीक भाव
झील मान डाक फोटो ना ओके द गर्ल्स दे वांटेड टू टेक फोटो ओके से पचारे चाहते तुम बापा माँ मैंने शिक्षित ना शिक्षित आई थिंक दे शिक्षित से पठाऊँ Okay. Their parents are rich. Which is why.
I know, but once in a while you must.
You went to the inside one?
I think I've done enough, but
चलो रास्ता जाम का एक चलो
समझ पड़े सो
ସେପଟୁ ବୁଲିଆ
ଅବେ ଅବେ ଶୁଣ ମିନିଟ୍ ଆସୁନ ନମିନି ରହିଗଲି ନା
ହେଇଗଲା
ଭାଇ ଏପଟେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ले देले समझ
लेना आगु पळे छुआ छुआ
आगु कैसे समझ